all the vertices of a rectangle lie on a circle of the radius r. So circle is of the radius r. So let me look at this circle as the radius r, and you are looking at a rectangle over here. All the vertices of the rectangle lies on the circle. So this is the rectangle that we are looking at. Suppose this is the rectangle, we are naming it as ABCD. Right now, if you look at the center of the circle and join it with the point A, and join the center of the circle with the point C, you will realize this has to be a straight line. Why? Because angle in the semicircle is always 90 degree, and this angle over here is turning out to be 90 degree. Right? If you are joining one point to the other point over here, A to the C, then it has to pass through the center of the circle, which is O, because angle in the semicircle only will be 90 degrees. So this angle turns out to be equals to 90 degree over here, right? Because of which AC becomes the diameter of the circle. So if the radius is r given to me, so this point O and this is also becoming r. Now, if the perimeter of the rectangle is P, so let's say suppose the side of the rectangle was A and B. So you are now telling us that 2A plus 2B is turning out to be equals to the perimeter P, right? And radius is R. Then find the area of the rectangle. We have to find the value of A into B. That's what the question is talking about. We also know that if the angle ADC is a 90 degree angle, then 2R whole square, which is your hypotenuse square, should be equals to A square plus B square. So now we have the value of A square plus B square, which is equals to 4R square. And we have the value of 2 times of A plus B, that is equals to the value P. So A plus B is turning out to be equals to P by 2. This is the value that we have. Now, if you square A plus B over here, what are we going to get? We are going to get A square plus B square plus 2AB. That 2AB will be equals to P square by 4. We know the value of A square plus B square, which is 4R square. So I'm going to replace that in this equation and say 4R square plus 2AB will turn out to be equals to P square by 4. That means my 2AB must be equals to P square by 4 minus of 4R square. Correct? And what do we want? We want the value of AB. That is the area of the rectangle, correct? So that AB would then turn out to be equals to what? P square by 8 minus of 2R square. So P square by 8 minus of 2R square should turn out to be my answer, which is option B. Let's look at this.